Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today it's a time to harvest our purple yam which is now completely ripened. If you can see that the vine of this purple yam is almost now dried. Couple of vines are still little green and the leaves are getting yellowing, but still you can harvest the yam at this stage. Now for harvesting the yam, the first step we need to cut these vines, just keeping 2 to 3 inch from the soil and remove these vines. So for that we have keep a knife. So we'll simply cut this vine from the bottom and remove this vine from the top. So after removing this, we should remove these vines. Likewise, we'll remove all the vine first and then we'll simply pull out the purple yam which is below the surface of the soil from the trays. So now we can see that we have cleaned all the vines and we have kept a small pieces of the vine on the top so that we can identify the yam. Now as we have planted this in a hydroponic system with a coco pit, so we need not to dig it out. We simply will pull the tuber from the soil. So for that we need to lightly dig this and we can pull this out the tuber and just see what we have got. So we are not disturbing it much because we have interplanted it with chili, cabbage and other thing. But now you can see that this is what we got. So this is what the purple yam we have got from this vine. So same way we'll dig out all this purple yam from the trays. So friends, it is important to note that we have just put this purple yam vine for an experiment purpose and we haven't treated them with any special formula. Still we got the very good size of the yam with this. The next year we will do it with a specific formula and we will get the even better yield. You can also plan growing your purple yam into your home garden with the coco pit and the hydroponic system and get the good yields. Happy growing!